Hello everyone, today we are starting the chapter Lines and Angles. This is a very important chapter. Without this, it is not possible for us to understand the geometry. Lines and angles are there in the every aspects of our daily life. To understand the world, one should have a solid knowledge of lines and angles.
Let us recall lines. What is a line? A line is the collection of infinite number of points and extends endlessly in both the directions. So it is the collection of infinite number of points. When we are taking the points like this, and if they are very close together, so what we will form? We will form a line. So what is a line? It is a collection of infinite number of points and it extends endlessly in both the directions. So this line can move in both the directions. So this is what we call as a line, and it is denoted by P, Q, R, means we have to use small letters. Clear? Now what is a line segment? A line segment is a part of line with two endpoints. For example, line segment AB. How we will denote? Now what is this? This is a line, and if we are taking two endpoints, so what is this? This is a part of, ये क्या हो गया? Now what is this? This is a part of line. So the part of line with two endpoints. So it is said to be a line segment. And how we will denote line segment? We will denote line segment like this with two endpoints. And how to denote the line? Line को आप कैसे denote करते हो? Like this. Clear? Now, what is array? Array is a part of line. Now, what is this? This is a line, a part of line with two endpoints, a part of line with one endpoint. Now, if I am taking this endpoint A as A, so now what is this portion? This portion is said to be a array. So, what is this? This is array, and this is a line segment, and here this is a line. So what is array? Array is a part of line with one endpoint. Now we denote this as, so this is denoted by AB. Now suppose we are having 3 points. हमने क्या बोला? Infinite number of points. चलो अपन 3 पॉइंट ले लेते हैं. अब अगर इन 3 पॉइंट को हम लेते हैं, are we able to draw a line? So we are not able to draw a line with this. And if we are taking C point like this, so we are able to draw a line. So these points, suppose the points are A, B and C, and here also the points are X, Y and Z. So these 3 points which lies on a line with which we can make a line. So उसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे? The points are said to be the collinear points. What we will call them? We will call them as the collinear points. So what are the collinear points? Collinear points are the 3 or more points which lie on the same line. So 3 or more points which lie on the same line, they are said to be the collinear points. And here this X, Y and Z, they are not making a single line. So 3 or more points with which we are unable to make a line, which do not lie on the line, which main point क्या है? Which lie on the line. अगर lie करेगा तो हम क्या बोलेंगे कि they are collinear. If they will not lie, then we will call them as non-collinear points. And you all know that to make a line, how many points we require? 2 पॉइंट चाहिए आपको. जैसे 2 पॉइंट आपके पास होंगे, you can make any line. इसलिए यहाँ पे अपन ने क्या बोला? 3 or more points. ठीक है? Because with 2 lines it is always possible to make a line. Now we are having the knowledge about the line. If 2 lines are there, suppose this is your line L and another line M. Suppose we are having the lines L and M. ये L है, ये M है. So what are these? These lines are 2 lines are there. तो ये क्या कर रहे हैं? They are intersecting each other, है ना? And if the lines are like this, M and N. We can extend, or if your lines are like this. So these two lines, यहाँ पे ये क्या कर रहे हैं? They are meeting, they are intersecting at a point. Intersecting at a point. So these two lines are said to be the intersecting lines. So what are the intersecting lines? Two lines which intersect each other at a point, they are said to be intersecting lines. Now look at these two lines. Though they are not intersecting here, but we know that these two lines can extend, और जब हम इनको extend करेंगे तो in future they will meet. So they will meet at a point. So these two are also called as the intersecting lines. And when the lines do not intersect at all, like these two lines, this is your suppose X and this is your line Y. Now these two lines which are non-intersecting, है ना, which are not intersecting, तो इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? They are said to be the non-intersecting lines. What we call them? We call them non-intersecting lines. So now these two are the intersecting lines and these two are the non-intersecting lines. And these non-intersecting lines, they have a common distance between them. ये डिस्टेंस अगर अपन सपोज कर रहे हैं a या 2 सेंटीमीटर, तो ये सब जगह 2 सेंटीमीटर रहेगा. कांस्टेंट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू लाइंस, लाइक द ट्रैक्स ऑफ लाइक द रेलवे ट्रैक. ठीक है. सो दीज आर सेड टू बी द non-intersecting lines, and these non-intersecting lines are also called as the parallel lines. So what is the difference between the intersecting lines and the non-intersecting lines? Intersecting lines intersect at a point. Okay, and that common point is said to be the point of intersection. And the non-intersecting lines, they never intersect. They have a constant distance between them. Here the constant distance is not there. The other name for the non-intersecting lines are parallel lines. What is this? This is a ray. And if we make one more ray from this same point O and let the ray be OB, then what we are forming? We are framing a angle. So what is an angle? How we define the angle? Angles, what is the angle? Two rays which are originating from the same endpoints form an angle. So what is an angle? Two rays originating from the same point, they form a angle, and this point, same originating point, is said to be the vertex. इसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं? It is said to be the, this O is said to be the vertex of the, what be the, इनको अपन क्या बोलते हैं? OA और OB. These two rays are said to be the arms. And we denote the angle like by notation angle BOA or AOB or angle O. ये सारे इसी angle को denote कर रहे हैं. So this all you have studied in the previous classes. Now let us see the different types of angles. Now this first angle is your acute angle. So this is your acute angle, है ना? So when the angle is less than 90, when the measure of the angle is 0 to 90, then it is said to be a acute angle. And when the measure is 90, then it is said to be a right angle. And when the measure of the angle is between 90 to 180, then it is said to be obtuse angle. Okay. Now this is your, what is this? This angle is your straight angle. When the measure of the angle is 180, then it is said to be the straight angle. Now here it is more than 180 but less than 360. Then we are making this. So this is said to be the complete angle. When the measure is 360 degree, then we call it as a complete angle. Now, so this is your straight right angle less than 90. This is acute. This is obtuse, straight, reflex, and complete. So these are the different types of angles which we are having. So what is thus? Let us revise. What is an acute angle? An angle A whose measure is 0. If it is 0 to more than 0 and less than 90, then this angle is said to be the, let we are having the angle A. ये अपने पास क्या है? हम सपोज कर रहे हैं कि दिस इज आवर एंगल A. ठीक है, इसका मेजर हम A ले रहे हैं. द मेजर ऑफ दिस एंगल इज A डिग्री. सो इफ द डिग्री ऑफ द एंगल इज greater than 0 and less than 90, then this angle is said to be the acute angle. When the measure of A is 90, then what we are calling it as a right angle. And if the measurement of angle is more than 90 but less than 180, then it is said to be the acute angle. And what is this straight angle? Straight angle को हम कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? This O A B. So this angle, when the measure is 180 degree, then it is said to be the straight angle. Now what is reflex? So this is your O A, and when you are moving from this straight to this point, मतलब जब आपका मेजरमेंट कितना हो, जब आपका मेजरमेंट क्या हो, मोर देन 180 बट लेस देन 360, तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल बोलते हैं, है ना. सो दिस इज नॉट, दिस इज योर एंगल. सो व्हाट वी कॉल दिस रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. आप इस इनिशियल रे से ही देखोगे सर, ये बेस है, इस बेस से कंपेयर करोगे दूसरी रे को. So here this is moving downward. So when the measure is more than 180 but less than 360, then we call it as the reflex angle. इसको आप इतना भी ले जाओ तो भी आप इसको रिफ्लेक्स ही कहोगे. This, ठीक है. So this angle is said to be the reflex angle. And what is complete? When, so this, when the measurement is 360 degree. When the measurement between the measure of the angle between the two rays is 360, then we call it as the complete angle. Now two angles whose sum is 90 degree, then they are said to be the complementary angle. Suppose we are having angle A 60 degree and angle B is equal to 30 degree. So when the sum of the angle is 90, when the sum of the angle is 90, here 60 plus 30 is 90, then those two angles are said to be the complementary angle. And one is the complement of the other. A is the complement of B and B is also called as the complement of A. Now what are the supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are the two angles whose sum is equal to 180. दो angles जिनका sum 180 हो वो क्या कहलाएंगे? Complementary. जैसे if A is equal to 120 and B is equal to 60. Now what is the sum? What is A plus B? It is 180. Hence, this A and B, they form the supplementary angle. Now, the next type of the angle which we are having, they are the adjacent angles. Adjacent means, here also we are having the two angles. Now, suppose this is our angle XOY and we are having a ray OM. So, these two angles, they are said to be the adjacent angle. These A and B are said to be the adjacent angles. Means two angles which are having a common arm. है ना? जैसे in a classroom we are having a common wall between two classes. This is 10th A, this is 10th B. So this is the common arm, a common wall. So these two are said to be, इनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? These two are said to be the adjacent rooms. So what are the adjacent angles? Adjacent angles which are having one common arm. Two angles which are having one common arm and a common vertex, है ना, common arm जिनके पास होगी, they are said to be the adjacent angles. Clear है? So what are the adjacent angles? So here A and B are the adjacent angles. Now what do we mean by the linear pair of angles? So linear pair of angles means two adjacent angles or the adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. जैसे what I told you, if this is here, this is 10th A, this is 10th B, and this is the common, or 9th A, 9th B, and this is the common wall. So they are sharing, these two angles are sharing a common arm. So these two are adjacent, and at the same time, the sum of these A and B is equal to 180. So they are said to be forming a linear pair of angles. Thus, in the pairs of angles, we are having the adjacent angles. है ना? So what are the adjacent angles? Clear? Adjacent angles are the two angles which are sharing a common arm. Then they are said to be the adjacent angle. And if these two adjacent angles, है ना, if the sum of the adjacent angles is 180. Now suppose we are having this A and B. So here X, Y, Z. Now here XOY and XOZ. These are the two adjacent angles. They are having a common arm OX. And at the same time, here the sum of A and B is 180. So adjacent angles in which the sum of the angle is 180, they are said to form linear pair of angles. So what do you mean by the linear pair of angles? Is it clear? Means उसके linear pair के लिए क्या जरूरी है? First thing, that should be the adjacent angle. पहला उनको क्या होना चाहिए? Adjacent angle. और दूसरा क्या होना चाहिए? उनका sum 180. तब हम उनको क्या बोलेंगे कि they are forming a linear pair of angles. Now the next pair is the vertically opposite angles. Now when we will get the vertically opposite angles? When we are having two intersecting lines. Now here let this AB and MN intersect at O. So these two angles, this angle 1 and angle 2, these two angles are said to be the vertically opposite angles. And these two, 3 and 4, they are the vertically opposite angles. So here what are the vertically opposite angles? Angle 1 and angle 2. So this pair is the vertically opposite angle. The other pair is angle 3 and angle 4.